What's up everybody? Welcome to Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. On today's Tech Rant, I'm going to talk about fake virus scams. And what I mean about that is web pages that act like or appear that your computer is actually infected when it is actually not. If we take a look at this up here, you can see that it looks like that you're actually on Microsoft's website. It's spelled correctly, it's not a typo. Now it is specifying that it's in the Russian language, but then also has EN for English at the end. So that's a bit peculiar, and that's one thing that points it out as being fake. Another thing is that because you cannot click on anything when this page comes up, what's actually happening is that it is just displaying a picture of a website inside of a frame or a border that you can barely see up top here, so that you think that you're actually on the website when really it's just a web page that's full screen, and that there is no actual place for you to be able to click onto the URL at all to be able to change that. Now coming over to Microsoft's site here, I'm going to go ahead and also post this down in the description below. They actually break down what they call a notably sophisticated tech support scam. Here they actually go into how the scam starts up and what it appears like. They mention here that this is actually not the browser. And then scrolling down a bit, you can actually see that they identify their real browser and the fake browser. Now, on this particular case, on Microsoft's site, they are using Edge to be able to display the website. And then if you look at how the tab appears, it looks more like Chrome. Now you might be thinking, now that's great, now I know what is actually happening when I do come across something like this, but how do I fix it? Well, it's very, very simple, and I'm going to show you how to be able to break out of the browser and then kill the session, and then when you start it back up, make sure that you don't open it back up again where it is posing as a virus infection. So if you hold the Control and Shift key and then press the Escape key, the Task Manager will pop up. Now here we can go ahead and sort by name, and then you will see the browser that you are using. So it could be Edge or Firefox or Chrome, and all you got to do is right click on it and end task. If you open back up the browser and the same page shows up saying that you're infected, then you want to go ahead and repeat the process again, kill the browser, and now disconnect from the internet. So if you are on Wi-Fi, then disconnect from your Wi-Fi. If you are on Ethernet, then just unplug the cable. Then you want to go ahead and reopen back up the browser again, and it won't be able to display the pages. And then you want to be able to click on the X of the tab itself to be able to close that tab. Now if you open it back up again while you're still disconnected off of the internet, take a look at the URL bar at the very top of the browser to see whether or not it has a URL typed into it already for you or not. If it does, go ahead and change that. So for example, put in like google.com, and then of course it will again fail to connect and show an error because you're still not on the internet. But now you can go ahead and reconnect to the internet and then hit F5 to be able to refresh the page, or you can just click the refresh icon on your corresponding browser. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button if you're into that kind of thing, and if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so we know that you mean it.